Do you want to know how you can sign up for heygen AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for heygen AI. Go ahead and search for heygen AI sign up and click on the first link which appears on your screen. After that, click Get Started for free. It will take you to this login portal where you can log in using your Google, Facebook, or your SSO or your email address. If you want to skip all of this, go ahead and click Sign Up Email, and you can see you can sign in using your work email. So go ahead and write down your email here, and then click Send Code, and a mail code will be sent here. You can write down the verification code and sign up using your email address. But you can also use your Facebook or Google account. Make sure that you have a Facebook account logged in on your browser, and make sure you do have a Google account. Go ahead and click on Google, select your Google account and click Confirm to sign in at your heygen account. In a while, you can notice that you have signed up for heygen. Now you can click on Get Started after your video is starting to play. So you can go ahead and click Get Started. You can click these steps over here. You can select which best describes your profession, for what you will be using it, the size of your company, and what do you want to create. So you can go ahead and select these and click Next, and you can click Submit. This way your sign up phase is complete and you have signed up for heygen. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.